Hiya, it's Marley from Komo here. We recently introduced templates to our SaaS platform, allowing brands to create and deploy immersive gamified campaigns faster than ever before. These templates act as a springboard, providing our customers with a solid foundation and inspiration to customize campaigns that align perfectly with their unique needs. Now, if you're a marketer for a hospitality or FMCG brand, this video is for you. Today we're going to be looking at our Build Your Burger picker card template and how you might customize it for your own brand campaign. This take on the classic Build Your Own X promotion has been used by brands for decades to personalize their content and make their audiences feel a part of the action. But it hasn't always gone well. McDonald's tried it themselves a few years ago and it did go viral, but perhaps not for the reasons they wanted. Offering their consumers the chance to build their ideal burger using text input, Macca's saw their entire campaign become a meme, with some rather offensive entries on the side. And if you're not a household name like McDonald's, this probably isn't the result you're looking for. You might know too about the Sydney Ferries campaign that saw Sydneysiders voting for their favourite locally submitted ferry name, only for a ferry to end up being called Ferry McFerryface. Having a giggle at campaigns like this, like anybody else, we at Komo also like to take stock of the learnings they present. Our picker card, instead of getting users to input text to build a burger or name a ferry, asks you to choose from a list of pre-selected options. Our picker card has arguably one of the most diverse range of use cases on our platform, but when you first open it up, it can seem on the trickier side to configure, and figuring out how you even want to use it is another thing altogether. This template gives FMCG, retail and hospitality brands a creative kickstart and gets the ball rolling. Now let's add it to our engagement hub and take a look. If we head into our platform's portal and select Add Content, we'll see the button we need where we can see the library of templates available sorted by industry. Let's find the one we're looking for by selecting the Retail and Hospitality tag. Now we can name our picker card and add the template to our hub. With that done, we can head inside the editing modal and let it give us a creative kickstart for our own campaign. We'll first land on the cover tab, which shows the cover image of the picker. You can see that we've used a fake brand called Starving Joe's and their brand assets and colours to create an asset that is enticing and drives action. To replace this cover image with your own, you'd simply click on it and select Upload. If we head into the Picking Screen tab, we can configure the gameplay screen that our users will see on the front end. Here we can edit the styling of the picker, add a title, and configure the background. To see the items that users can choose from to build their ultimate burger, we'll click the Items editor here, and we can see all of the burger contents, your lettuce, your beef, etc. It's here that we would adjust the items or add our own to reflect the picker we'd like to design, whether it be a sub, pizza toppings, capsule wardrobe items, anything that is relevant to your brand. If we close that window and click here, we can add our own background, like Starving Joe's has already done here with their logo, some question marks and the burger buns. Very fun. We can also change, remove or add to the picker items already available for you. If we now head into the Data Capture tab, you'll see that a default form has been set up for you to capture data from your entrants, which you can configure depending on the data points you're wanting to collect. There are draft prizes already configured here, which can be easily adjusted to suit your needs. There are also drafted emails, configured to send once your prizes have been awarded and on registration, to ensure your campaign feels personalised and users are kept up to date on their entries. So there you have it, that's the Build Your Burger picker template, super simple and easy to customize and get your campaign live in no time. Start using Komo's templates today. Head to www.komo.tech and book a product demo.